Hello, Scorpions. Welcome to the Purple Insights. Here I upload videos related to tarot and oracle card readings. Also, occasionally I will post videos on other topics related to occult. So, today's video is about what's coming for you in this month of October 2020. Now, using the tarot and the oracle cards, I intend to provide you with some insights regarding your relationship, your career, and finance for this month. Also, I will try to tell you about any advices your spirit guides may have for you for this month. Okay? Well, at the end, I hope this reading serves as a guidance for you, and in certain cases, may act as a warning to let you not commit any action that you might regret later. Also, let me tell you guys, this is a general reading. It will resonate with most of you, but may not with everyone. So, that doesn't mean the reading is wrong, it's just that it wasn't meant for you. You guys keep what resonated and leave the rest. Okay? So, that was the introduction, guys. And now, let's start with your reading. So, the first card we have is Seven of Pentacles, then Moon in reverse, Knight of Pentacles, Waning Moon, Leadership, the next Recognition, and the last one Krishna. So the first tarot, Seven in Pentacles, with regards to your relationship, suggests that for those of you who are single, expect your long-term friendship to turn into a romantic relationship, guys. Also, for some of you, it can be that the person you are friends with now may later turn into your romantic partner. Okay? For some of you who have been in a relationship, you may start to think about your future together as a couple. Also, Seven of Pentacles being a positive card indicates some of you are willing to put a lot of efforts to commit to the relationship. Alright? Then some of you as a couple may be working together towards a common financial goal, such as buying that dream house. So the card suggests you to rest assured as you will achieve your goals soon. Okay. Then the moon card in reverse in context of your career suggests those of you who are in a creative field, you might be suffering from a creative block, guys. Like writers might be suffering from writer's block. For some of you at your workplace, if you might have been facing any kind of instability, soon things will start to stabilize. Also, some of you who are still pondering over which career path to choose, things may start to clarify this month, and soon you may be able to decide which direction you need to head. Okay? Well, the card also suggests to some of you to stay away from any conflict arising at your workplace, especially if you have no part in it. Also, for some of you, I feel you might be dealing with anxiety or stress right now, as you might have been expected by your colleagues or superiors to take some decision. Like maybe they want you to carry on a task which you don't want to do, and still they are forcing you to take it. So, in that case, guys, listen to your inner voice. If it's a no for you, then instead of worrying, summon the courage to deny it. Okay? Then Knight of Pentacles suggests you to avoid taking big risks at the moment in terms of investments. For some of you who might have invested somewhere in the past, profit is coming your way, guys. And it will be enough for you to lay the foundation for your financial security for the future, as you may invest that money in a fixed deposit. Also, for some of you, there might be a meager raise in your income, and you may decide to save it for the future. Then, for some of you, expect money coming to you from anywhere. Like it can be an inheritance or a lottery win. Okay? So, the next card, Waning Moon, is suggesting you to ask yourself, what do you need to release right now? Analyze your situation, guys. Do you need to release any emotional baggage? Well, if you are regretting for something, then go ahead and say sorry, seek forgiveness. And in doing so, the relief you will get in return is much needed for you now to focus on other important matters of your life. Also, for some of you, this card is suggesting not to start any new projects this month as you may fail. Then the leadership card is asking you to take charge of your life. Although it's not advisable to start any new projects this month, but this with this leadership card, you can at least set your intention, guys. You can set goals and make plans regarding anything you want to achieve, but don't take any action right now. For that, you will have to wait a little longer. Okay. Also, for some of you, it can be that a person, preferably a Leo, may offer a helping hand to you. Some of you can even expect a female to show you the path to your success. So don't hesitate to take the help she offers. Consider her to be sent by the universe to assist you in handling your situation. Okay? Then the card recognition here indicates that some of you who have been putting a lot of hard work lately, guys, rest assured your efforts are not going unnoticed. Expect some reward in the form of recognition or promotion by the end of this month. People will compliment you for your work. Also, some of you may receive some media attention. Alright. Then the last card is Krishna. Well, he is one of the major deity in Hinduism. Also, people in India worship him as the eighth avatar of Lord Vishnu. Guys, if you are interested to know more about Krishna, let me know by commenting below, and I will upload a series of videos narrating about his life and dates. Okay. So, anyways, coming back to the card, this had showed up basically as a guidance for you. It's suggesting you to take lessons from the life of Lord Krishna. You should never give up for what is right, and you should never underestimate or question your potential, guys. You can find a lot of tales about Krishna. So watch them and implement the lessons taught in your life, and notice how amazingly your woeful situation turns positive. Alright? So that was the reading for you guys. Please like and share the video. Also subscribe this channel if the reading resonated with you, and please don't forget to hit that bell icon if you do not want to miss any future uploads. I will see you next in my other videos, guys. Till then, take care. Bye.